Hey, good morning, students. Happy Wednesday. This is gonna be the video for the classes of today. So now, the first exercise we have language charts, like always. Let's just go over here, language charts. We got this weekly exercises, kind of like a test, but it's very simple. Now, the first thing we're gonna do here is to click on each picture and listen to the word. Fill in the correct missing vowels, EA or EE in each word. So if you listen here, leaves, it will tell you if it is a E or a A, then you go here, or a E or E. Remember, look at the pictures and you're gonna find the missing letters, and also listen to the words over here. Listen, and it will tell you also the words. You see, all right. If you go down to the next exercise, you have to use the words right here, these words over here, and complete the sentence. So the falls from the tree. What falls from the tree? Reed, cheese, tea, or leaf. The is hot. The reed is hot. The cheese is hot. The tea is hot. So do you see it? You here, you put it like this, and you drag them, and you complete the sentence. Okay, that's for that exercise. Now the next exercise is you have to select the nouns in each sentence. Remember, the nouns are things, are people, are stuff, are persons. So remember the nouns. If you want to know what is the noun, you ask me or Google it. Find what is the noun. You have to click which is the noun. Cows like to eat grass. In this one, cows will be the noun because they name things, animal, person, people. So pay attention to that. Nouns. You're gonna select nouns only. Now we're gonna go down here. In this exercise, you gotta select the correct homophone to complete each sentence. So Sally was standing here, hair, hair, or here. What's the right word that you have to choose there? So you have to choose the right word. Is my pencil? Where is my pencil, or where is my pencil? Which one of the two you have to choose, okay? Pay attention to that. And you go this and click finish of that language charts. Now, we move to social studies. So social studies, we're gonna have two exercises. They're pretty simple. Check this out, in which it is a citizen's responsibility to obey the law. It's about obeying the law. So select the pictures that show people obeying the law. Which people over here are obeying the law? You see? Which one you think is obeying the law? If you think they're obeying the law, you click yellow. But only click the ones that are obeying the law. And in this exercise, the same thing. Which people are obeying the law with actions means that they are obeying the law, right? And then you click finish. That's gonna be all for social studies. Now, if we move to math, for math, we're gonna got these exercises. Pretty simple. Check this out. You have here, right? We have here. You gotta write the missing numerators and denominators, okay? This is an example. You have here, you got three pieces, 1, 2, 3, and one that is failed. The denominator will be the ones that is failed, and all the pieces will be 3. Equals to, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and 2 that are failed. Kind of like the same way, you have 3 failed and 9 pieces of all of them. So here you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. You got 3 and 4, of course, because of all of them. So here, what will be the number over here? What will be all the number on the top in the denominator? Remember, the denominator will be the ones that are in color. So you have to count them and you put it here. And here is going to be the denominator. The denominator will be all of the spaces, all of the paces, all of them. Okay? The same gonna be here. We got 1 over here. We got how many spaces we have here. So how many spaces you see here? You count them. Here, the denominator. Remember, the denominator will be all the spaces. So you have to count them. And here, this is very simple. 4 times 2 equals what number? And 5 times 2 equals what? 2 times 4 equals here, and 3 times 4 equals here. But as you can see here, you can form the number also. If you know how to do it here by looking at the pictures, if you count them, you can find out the missing numbers over here if you count them, the numerators and the denominators. Okay, very simple. Now let's move to the other exercise, in which it's kind of like the same thing. You gotta form the numerators and the denominators. The denominators are here because we have, remember, nominators will be the ones that are in color. So you have 2 in all the spaces. The denominators will be all the spaces, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So down here we're gonna have 4. And in this one, we have 1 that is color, so it's gonna be 1 nominator, 1, and 2 spaces, 2, 1 and 2. So I'm gonna give 2. That's gonna be the answer for this one. So for that one, as you see, you're gonna do it here and all of these ones. All right, it's very simple. That's gonna be for math. And finally, for Bible, we're gonna have this quizzes. Choose, remember, you choose one of this and one of this, one of these two and one of these two, okay? Because one of these is about emotions and another one is about empathy. Listen, okay? So that's basically it's gonna be for the classes of today. Please, if you understand this, if you need any help, please let me know. I will gladly help you. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.